Hello, I'm Cindy Hendrickson, Becker County Master Gardener, and today I'm going to show you how to transplant some hostas. First thing that you should do is figure out where you're going to put your hostas, which I did, and I found out it wasn't an appropriate setting. I had planned on putting them on the side of my garden, but when I was digging, I found out that there was a lot of gravel underneath there, and so that isn't going to work. So then I decided to put it in a different place. And my hostas have been affected by slugs. See all the little holes? And I did not use any chemicals. There are some remedies that you can use, but I didn't use them. It doesn't kill them, it just makes them very unsightly. And this is a shady area, and the hydrangeas are doing good. And these hostas have maybe been in here about 5 years, and they need to be thinned out. The first thing I did was try to divide it. And I went in and dug a hole all around where you want to divide it. And actually, you can divide hostas anytime, but spring is a little bit easier because then you don't have all the foliage. But you dig the hole, in which I already did, and then you will come up with a hunk like this, and then you set it aside. And then I have another big hunk, so you have all those roots. And with hostas, all you have to do is divide them, and I'm going to use my favorite shovel. It's a small shovel, and just dig down, and that will be a piece. And we'll move it over to the other side. Hostas are great. They don't need much care. And they can take a little sun, but they do like shade. So now that one hosta, I have 4 different plants, and I have dug my hole, and I will transport it to the other side. And then with the empty hole, I will get some soil and put soil in there, and then the hydrangea will cover the hole. And really, this could be even divided even more if I chose to do that. I had a hydrangea bush that was planted here, and it was not doing very well, so I dug it out, and then now I'm going to plant my hostas. Hostas like to be planted about the same depth as you have dug them out. So, and I have 3, and then I'm going to plant them together. And I have put in some nice soil, and I'm going to dig a hole. And so you have all this root. And hostas usually take maybe 2 to 3 years to really establish. See how great. A person could even divide this more if you wanted to, but you just tuck it in here. Make sure all the roots are covered, like so. And I'm going to leave the green on. You could cut it off if you wanted to, depending on what time of the year you plant them. So now I'm going to dig another hole. This soil is, we just added soil, and it's really nice and soft. And then I'll plant this other one. We'll plant it like so. And then I will put the other one here. And then when you're all done, then you cover them up, and you would want to water it really, really well. So thank you. I'm Cindy Hendrickson, Becker County Master Gardener.